Nederman designs maximum airflow into the original NEX-MD and NEX-HD extraction arms to give welders increased working space. We do this by integrating a few simple design features often overlooked and underutilized. The most common hood design on many extraction arms is a simple round design. Many of the extraction arms in the market today make use of this basic hood design. Both the original hood and the NEX-HD hood are designed with a flat edge. The flat edge allows the hood to be placed directly on a working surface and helps extend the hood's extraction range. With the flat edge design, the hood is able to direct the airstream to the front of the hood by cutting off the lower air path. Our original hood and NEX-HD hood take hood design one step further to not only meet basic fume extraction needs, but also maximize air capture over a much larger surface area.